Hi guys, this is a tutorial on how to change your boot animation to CyanogenMod 9. First download and move the files cwm.zip and final boot enabler.zip in your SD card and just switch off the phone and boot in recovery mode. For doing this, just select home button, volume up and lock all together, 3 buttons all together. It will boot in recovery mode. Now select apply update from SD card. Now select cwm5.zip. Now select install zip from SD card. Here you need to scroll up and scroll down using volume up and down keys and select via home button. That screen is disabled here. Now select choose zip from SD card. Now we have to select the next final boot enabler.zip. Just select it and install it. Now press back button, reboot system, now the first option, and now you will see the CyanogenMod 9 boot animation. As it's first boot, so it might take a bit time, and here it is. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Like the video, subscribe me and visit my blog Google Play. Thanks.